how to edit avatars look on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, scroll down to and you will see Galaxy Avatar is here. Click on Galaxy Avatar. After click on Galaxy Avatar, so click on edit. So if you want to change style, so change style from here. After change dress, click on and it will change socks from here. If you want to change watches, so you will change cap, change glasses, and if you want to change looks, so change hairs from here, change eye colors from here, and after the process click on save. You will see edit avatar looks is saved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can edit avatar looks on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.